what's up YouTube? It's your boy Will, and as y'all probably already see from the title, this about to be a triple black restoration slash custom on some beat up Foamposites. So at this point, I'm just cleaning all the grass out of it because I was cutting grass in these shoes and they all beat up, and I just wanted to upload a custom. So here you go. So at this point, we just cleaning the shoes, trying to get all the extra dirt off before we start the paint job, because you don't want nothing on the shoes before you start painting, or paint is gonna chip right out there. Y'all see how dirty these shoes is. After a full cleaning, some of the grass still ain't come out, so we just gonna ignore that. And at this point, we just cleaning the shoe with acetone to remove the factory finish. Well, not a factory finish because they clearly beat up, but it's basically trying to remove all the old paint off the shoe and extra stuff that didn't come off when you cleaned the shoe. Well, we finna just start painting this. Y'all see how yellow them bottoms is, bro. Man. So this gonna be a quick and simple custom, because basically all we doing is we turning these foams into all black foams. So it's not gonna be a lot of mixing colors or nothing going on, because it's just black. So at this point, we just painting the other shoe the same way that we did the first shoe. So you could fast forward to the time step on the screen if you don't want to see me actually paint the second shoe, because it's basically doing the exact same thing. So at this point, I'm just trying to still scrub the grass off, even though it's not really coming off, but it's basically just trying to get the excess grass off before I paint the actual tongue. And I also painted the bottom of the shoes off camera. It's just for the final look. It's not meant to be permanent, because painting soles is just gonna be a temporary look. But at this point, I'm mixing too soft with the black paint so I could paint the suede part of the shoe, because if you paint with just flat black paint, then it's gonna have the shoe all hard and it's gonna be like crunchy. So you gotta use too soft. It basically softens up the paint so you can paint materials like this. So I was just painting over the actual tongue of the shoe to see if like I could paint over the grass that's left inside the tongue of the shoe just to make it look better. It looked like it worked a little bit, but like I said, some of the stuff I was doing is just to make the final look better than what happened. So at this point, I'm just spraying the shoes with a matte finisher so the paint actually stick to the shoe and it actually stays instead of scratching off once you start to wear them. Alright, we're finna lace them back up and I'm finna show y'all the final result. If y'all made it this far, let me know how y'all feel about the custom, rating it 1 through 10. I want to know, was it good or bad, and what custom should I do next?